Hey everyone, today's video is about the M1 two-seat scooter installation introduction. The first step is install the front tire. Actually, it's all the same with other models. First, you need to remove the front brake pads. There are two different lengths of the bearings. Install the long bearing on the left side of the front wheel. Align the brake disc with the position of the brake pad. Then you could pass through the left side of the front wheel with the long bearing and close the short bearing on the right side of the front wheel. Use a wrench to tighten all the screws, then the front tire installation is done. After installing the front wheel, manually turn the front wheel. If the front wheel doesn't make any friction sound, the installation is successful. Step 2. Install front fenders. Remove the screws on the left and right sides first. And then install the front fender and tighten the screws. Step 3. Install the mirrors and other accessories. Step 4. Install the phone holder. Then we came to the step 5, rail seat installation. First, remove the screws on the frame, then just install the backrest with the right holes. After the rail seat frame is installed, retighten all the screws. Step 6. Install the battery. Insert the power cord into the battery port. Make sure the insert plug is tightly. Step 7. After finish all the installation parts, make sure you go for a test ride. Check all the function of the lighting system and the power system. Then you are ready to go.